Robots are used in all kinds of diverse situations, especially for the missions that are otherwise too dangerous for humans. Humans are curious species. They want to go to Mars and even other star systems. And while some of these bodies may hold life or answer for past life, they aren't very survivable for humans. The journeys are long to say the least, and everything from oxygen to food needs to be brought from Earth. In many cases, it's much easier to send a robot. They don't require food, water, or oxygen. Since the 1969s, space institutions across the world have built, tested, and launched different robots, each designed for its own specific goal and task. From the first lunar rover of the 1970s to the launch of the Mars 2020 mission, we have come a long way. Welcome back to Thought Control. And let's look at some of the most interesting robots that are helping us to explore space. Number 1. Curiosity. Probably the most famous of the Mars rovers and one that is still on active duty. Curiosity landed on Mars on 6th August 2012 with its original mission scheduled for the duration of only 2 years. It had a simple mission: look for signs to prove if the planet might once have been habitable for microorganisms. And to do that, NASA sent the rovers to Gale Crater, a huge impact site with a mountain at its center. But after 6 months of successful exploration, NASA extended mission indefinitely. Curiosity carries the largest and most advanced scientific instruments ever sent to other planet. Curiosity can take rock samples, analyze their formation structure, and send the data back to Earth, and can take images of not microscopic but very tiny things with a tool known as the Mars Hand Lens Imager. Just after landing, Curiosity found smooth, rounded pebbles, making us think about the existence of rivers and lakes in the Gale Crater for perhaps a million years or longer. It found the key ingredients for life like sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and carbon. Another important finding by the Curiosity rover was that it found that 2 forms of radiation that pose potential health risks to astronauts in deep space. NASA will use this data to design safer missions for human explorers. Number 2. Dexter, the space electrician. Dexter, also known as the Special Purpose Dexterous Manipulator (SPDM), is a 2-armed robot installed on the International Space Station. It was launched in March 11, 2008. It assists in maintenance of station, in particular the rough jobs that need to be done outside the station. Such jobs before Dexter required spacewalks. Dexter resembles a gigantic torso fitted with 2 extremely agile arms and weigh around 1662 kilograms. Dexter moves 1 arm at a time. While 1 arm may hold onto the station for stability and ease of control, the other is available to perform tasks. Both arms have 7 joints that can move up and down, side to side, or rotate. Each hand contains a range, camera and lights, and a connector to provide power or data. The best part is that it is controlled from Earth, so the astronauts can give their time to more important things in a safer environment. Number 3. Dragonfly. Our next destination in the solar system is very unique and organically rich world: Saturn's icy moon, Titan. Advancing our research in space for the building blocks of life, NASA has planned a spacecraft mission called Dragonfly, which will send robotics rotorcraft to the surface of Titan, the largest moon of Saturn. They will study the prebiotic chemistry and habitability of Titan. A mission like this would have been unthinkable even just a few years ago. It is scheduled to launch in 2026 and will take around 8 years to arrive on Titan in 2034. The rotorcraft will fly to different locations looking for chemical process common to both Titan and Earth. It has 8 rotors to take advantage of Titan's dense atmosphere, which is around 4 times denser than Earth. Titan is very similar to early Earth. It can also help us in providing clues to how life may have been formed on our very own planet. During its 2.7 years mission, Dragonfly will explore and investigate the moon's atmosphere, its surface and its subsurface oceans. And of course, they will search for evidence of past or present life. Visiting this mysterious ocean world could revolutionize what we know about life in the universe. Number 4. Ingenuity, Perseverance and Moxie. Launch on July 30th, 2020. Perseverance will take about 7 months to complete its journey and land on the surface of Mars on Feb 18, 2021. It is scheduled to land in the Jezero crater, a site of an ancient lake and river delta, and its mission is to study rocks that formed in the Mars' warm, wet past. It will also collect soil and rock samples to bring them back to Earth. Perseverance will look for microscopic fossilized cells as well as carbon-containing molecules, the building blocks of life on Earth. Stuffed beneath Perseverance belly is Ingenuity, a tiny little helicopter drone. Ingenuity is not tied to Perseverance mission. Its only motive is to achieve flight, as it's technically going to be the first vehicle to fly on another planet. Flying there is a challenge because the atmosphere on Mars is about 99% less dense than on Earth, which means that it needs to spin much faster than a helicopter on Earth. It uses solar panel to recharge and can fly for 90 seconds at a time. Another experiment that rides aboard Perseverance is Moxie, size of a car battery. The Mars Oxygen in situ resource utilization experiment is NASA's way to preparing for human exploration of Mars. Moxie is basically an oxygen generator. It makes oxygen like a tree does. It inhales carbon dioxide and exhales oxygen, which is lucky as Mars is around 96% carbon dioxide. But Moxie, just an experiment. Future oxygen generators that will support human missions will have to be about 100 times larger. So what's the conclusion? The robots we will use to explore space in the future will not look like the Curiosity rover or R2-D2. Instead, the future entails small network robots or nanosat robots that can be deployed cheaply by thousands. These tiny boats will be able to self-organize and quickly explore areas of interest. But that's not all. They will also be able to organize themselves into larger machines that can mine metals or even develop new vehicles. It looks like robots are going to be pioneering space explorer of the future. In fact, they already outnumber humans in space. But calculating the future is never that simple. With the advancements in technology that we have already talked about in the previous videos, it is not hard to imagine human bodies merging with robotics technologies in the next century or so, leading to human survivability even on other planets. Yes, you heard that right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Number 4. क्या था इसमें दिखाते थे, बंद हुआ पड़ा है. 4. Ingenuity, Perseverance. तेरी माँ अभी तक
शुरू करते हैं सर.
अंताक्षरी लेके प्रभु का नाम.
Hey you! Have you subscribed the channel? You haven't subscribed? Subscribe now! Click that button now!